The most dangerous moments in police chases usually happen after the car finally stops, because that's when nobody knows who's armed, who's surrendering, or who's about to run. In this case, officers surround a stolen vehicle with multiple occupants inside. But within moments, one suspect jumps out holding a gun. Officers open fire, and the entire scene spirals into a chaotic, spread across an entire intersection.
Hands up! He's running, he's got a 94 in his hand. Running towards me, black male. Black shirt. Put the gun down! Put the gun down now! Put the gun down! Put the gun down now!
Drop the gun!
Hey, hands down.
And we're at Celia and Onyx. Everyone's 10-4. Just hold the channel.
He's got a 94 in his hand. Hey! Get on the fucking ground!
Sorry, that's where the traffic turns down to the left.
Stop!
What's your location?
And we're at Celia and Onyx. Everyone's 10-4. Just hold the channel.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! On the ground! On the ground now! On the ground now!
Drop the gun!
What's your location?
And we're at Celia and Onyx. Everyone's 10-4. Just hold the channel.
Hey, drop the gun!
Sorry, that's where the traffic turns
Drop the gun! 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 Drop the gun!
What's your location?
And we're at Celia and
Onyx.
Everyone's 10-4.
Just hold the channel. Panel solid time is 1711.
Hey, I need another unit to my call. We'll get the call showing up. Don't be honest.
Stop.
Don't be honest.
Hey, 13-15, shots fired. We don't know if he's a suspect yet. Everyone check him in a second.
Hey, I still got two in the car. I'm moving on. Dispatch, go ahead and put it all call phone.
Hey, sit down.
You got a cross for me.
Headquarters. Suspect's not hit.
Suspect's not hit.
Officers aren't hit.
Officers aren't hit. I'm 10-4. 10-23, I'm responding to this. Get the North Sergeant to go at Campbell with his officer involved 50. Alright. 3 total detained. Slow it down. 3 total detained. Slow it down. Y'all good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good. You good?
Yeah. Now let's get a good frisk and search on him.
We got a driver?
Yep.
10-4.
Car.
Damn. We got your phone.
We got you. Where's your feet from, sir?
So the channel's closed.
Usually at the store on Berry Hill. Yep.
21102. We're getting the scene secure. We have a small crowd.
That's not Fred.
But it's contained right now.
We just want to put him in a vehicle for now.
Before we do have units responding from their division.
They don't need to run 1018 now.
I guess they're going to ask who else.
Well, y'all are coming from this way?
Hey.
Someone from behind me shot. I don't know who it was.
Me.
I did not shoot.
Shut down Onyx right now. Celia and Dundee.
I'm all the way in there.
Whoever's not tied up right now, we'll just move anyone that's standing out here off the Onyx completely.
21023. I know somebody put in an all-call. We could probably maybe use 6 to 8 units for now from out of team, but I don't think we need anybody else.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Gary, sir.
I'm rolling. Let's go.
He came around.
Man, do we have anybody
Caught a
hit?
gun in his hand. I fired about
And
2
there's no officers or individuals that are struck on fire.
He's not hit.
Or thank you.
Dropped the gun at the last shot.
This is one of the most important details in the entire incident. According to the officer, the suspect didn't actually drop the gun until the final shot was fired, which explains why officers kept shooting even while the suspect was moving away.
He did? He dropped his gun?
Yeah, he dropped his gun about after the last shot. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So when, I guess,
Hey, man,
chasing
can you
this
give me
way,
a
he
rookie?
was
Can you
running
have
with
a-
the gun in his
Me
hand.
and Blubber chasing him. Come around the corner. I heard shots come off. I come
Yeah,
around
we'll
the
get it.
corner.
She's safe in-
Still has the gun. I
She's
cranked up
safe in
2
crime scene
rounds.
right now. We'll get to it.
Turn your camera off.
Yeah, mine's off.
Hands up, Hopper! Don't you fucking move! Don't you fucking move! Hands out! Let's go. On the ground, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground! What the fuck? On the ground. Hey. Hey, shots fired. Shots fired.
Yeah.
Officers involved. Head
Yeah.
that way.
What happened? Get out the car, Phil. What happened?
Hey, I need another unit to my car. We're getting a crowd showing up. I know another unit. Dundee and Onyx. Dundee and Onyx.
What happened?
Don't you move!
Everybody on that tide, boy, see tens might get the show. Why is you in my face? You just broke. Oh, why you chose? I'm so listen. This course, that's what.
Hey, I still got 2 in the car. I'm kneeling on 1.
Shit, though, I'm just bullying. I just jumped this gate, come get your stick back. Flick back.
Hands out. Hands out!
My fault, man. I'm not doing shit.
Yo, brother, dad, you ain't sliding out one time. Go get your lick back. I ain't got no type, I ain't gonna lie, man. Fuck them dog hoes. Ain't fucked up.
Hey, can
2. There's 2. Hands behind your back.
you come get me, please, Mel? Man, he's too aggressive. Can you please get me?
I'm not doing nothing.
Get on the ground! All clear?
Yeah.
2.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Come out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come out. Come out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Coffin. All clear?
By the end of the incident, officers managed to take multiple people into custody and secure the scene. But the body cam footage shows just how quickly these situations become chaotic once weapons are involved. Within only a few minutes, officers went from trying to stop a stolen vehicle to chasing armed suspects through intersections, while gunfire echoed across the neighborhood. And even after the shooting stopped, the confusion didn't. Officers were still trying to piece together who fired, where the gun ended up, and whether everyone involved had actually been accounted for.